Let's move on. This is an object given to us, and we need to figure out which of these options look like we are looking at this object from the top view. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to count the light gray sticks. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and the circle placement. Let's look at the circle placements first. All the circle placements are the same, like we have the same circles, right? But in the circles that are on the right, the ropes that are tying the circle need to be gray. So these are gray. These aren't gray, so option E is incorrect. These are gray. These are not gray. These are not gray either. So I have option either B or C. So I'm going to look at from the side piece over here. I see that there is a black rope. From the side piece over here, there's a gray rope. So this option is incorrect, and my option here has a black rope, so it's option B.